Hi, my name is Mekapadi. Tonight I'm going to answer one question from a woman. Said, Mekapadi, do women also experience delayed ejaculation? Because I don't even reach orgasm. So my answer is women don't experience delayed ejaculation, but we have a terminology called female orgasmic dysfunction. A female orgasmic dysfunction is a condition when a woman doesn't reach orgasm, even when you have enough sexual or sufficient sexual stimulation. You are properly stimulated, but you cannot still reach. So men also experience this dysfunction. But tonight we are going to concentrate on the woman, because the person who asked the question is a woman. So now, what are the causes? I think that is the question. Why? The causes of female orgasmic dysfunction is, number one, medical. Do you have probably maybe a condition such as diabetes? Maybe you underwent any surgery such as hysterectomy or the use of certain medication, as I also talk about depression medication, those things, some of the medication, or you are using maybe higher blood pressure or contraceptive, some of the contraceptives. I said some. So because I don't want you to go and stop your medication because I said that it causes this dysfunction. Please, what you need to do is just to consult the doctor so that they know maybe it's a side effect of certain medication. But in some women, there are also cultural or religious beliefs. They believe that sex is a very bad thing, or it was disregarded. It's regarded as a taboo. Therefore, when you have to have sexual activities, so you are so shy and you feel that you are doing something which is dirty. Maybe you have a history of sexual abuse, especially women who are sexually abused. They look at the sex as something which is really a bad experience because it was emotionally and physically it affecting this person. Therefore, when you have to have a sex, you relive that incident, you relive that experience. Now, let's look at another thing is if you have anxiety, depression, all those things can also cause. It actually the same as the men as we talked yesterday. Maybe you have poor self-image, or the most thing when it comes to women, when you have relationship problems, infidelity in the relationship, or conflict in the relationship, that really causes some women not really to reach their orgasm. Because many times when for a woman, when you have sex is a totally different definition. It's because you want to bond with your partner. And if you are not able to bond with your partner, then you are not able to reach your orgasm. So therefore, sex for a woman is totally different. For a man is to release, but for the woman is to bond. And when you have conflict in the relationship, many women will not able to reach the climax. They will not able to reach the orgasm. So what can you do? So before you go to the doctor, you need to prepare yourself. Ask yourself the question: in your life, have you ever reached climax, or just something that happened because of something? Because this whole thing about sexual where you don't reach your orgasm is because of something which is underlying. An underlying condition, as I already indicated, medical conditions, surgeries, stress, conflict in the relationship, all those things are underlying. So when you visit the doctor, just go and tell your story to say, yes, it started. I used to maybe reach orgasm, but something happened. Maybe that we call situational, or it's a secondary. You have a primary. You have never reached your orgasm, or it is secondary. You reach your orgasm, and maybe something happened, and then you don't. So, and there is also the general one. Maybe even when you are stimulated, you don't just reach your orgasm. So you need to know your body. When you go to the doctor, you need to tell the doctor